Hi guys, it's Ray. Today I just have a very small TEMU haul. I have two packages. This one just got here. This one I've had for several days. There's not much in this one. So this is a little tiny bunny box die cut. It'll basically hold like a Hershey's Kiss or a couple small candies. But you cut it, fold up the sides, and the slots go over the ears to keep it as a box. So I thought it was cute, so I bought it. It would be cute for like little place cards or something. And I got tassels to go in the junk journaling confetti sets, because in those sets everybody's going to get at least one tassel in case they want to make a book charm or something. And I got some buttons to go in the confetti mix. These ones all have little florals, and these ones are like ginghams and polka dots. And I got some bigger and smaller wooden buttons with really pretty prints on them. And some little beads to go in there. And the last thing in this package is little Duckies. Oh, they're open. But I do believe these glow in the dark. I got these to go with my grill molds for keychains. I just have to find the molds. So let me see if I can find my nail lamp. We'll peek at them real quick. Because for some reason I think it said these glow. There. Let's give it a quick second. Oh yeah. So those are cute. I have little yellow duckies I use on those currently, but these already had the little head pin in them, and they glow, so I had to pick those up, because why not? And then this one I think some things are duplicates. And some of this is for tumbler making. Okay. I just dumped it right out. So these are two more of the coaster molds. I do believe I sold these out in a video on my other channel. So I believe they are pretty much currently unavailable. And I ordered some, I ordered 4 tiny bee molds. I have little bee charms for my tumblers, but I thought maybe I could make some of my own bees from epoxy to go on those. So that's what those are. And I finally remembered to order some of those little, they call them story in the bottle stickers. But these sets come with an assortment of mason jar type things. That one's a perfume bottle, in fact. And then several of whatever sticker you got that I think in their minds you're going to fill these with those. But so I got the mushroom set. And then I got the set that just comes with leaves and ferns, and because I've been intending to order those for quite some time, and I always forget. So these are little tattoos. I thought I'd ordered 2 of this pack, but I ordered 2 of a different pack. But I think I know which cup these are going to go on already. So, and I got a hummingbird one. And then I ordered this one, this one, some little fishies, and I ordered 2 of this one, which is stupid because I already have one of these here, but I clicked the 2 on that instead of the turtle set. So some new tattoos for cups, and then I just have 3 more things. I ordered a couple little pairs of fussy scissors just because they were pretty and they were pretty inexpensive, and I'm constantly losing scissors, so. But I got this pair. And then I got one of these little pairs. Because for some reason in my head, I have always wanted a little pair of these bird scissors in my craft room. So I finally got a pair. So, new little fussy scissors. And then I also ordered, you saw me haul this purple one a while back. That was like 43 cents or something that day. And I will say the blade on this is not the best, but when you do what we do, we go through blades like crazy anyways. So I ordered this set for a couple bucks, and something in here is open, so there's going to be a bunch of loose blades, I can tell you already. But it has 2 more of the handles with regular blade packs in them. And then it's got like the square blade and an assortment of other blades and another pack of the regular blades. That is what was open in there. But for the price of this whole pack, I can't even buy a handle locally or a single pack of 5 blades. So even if I go through them like crazy, I'm not worried about it. Plus it's got a nice little metal ruler in it. I honestly didn't realize that this pack was going to be so big. And I don't believe there was a color choice in this one. Like, I think these were other colors you could order when I got this one. But I have lots of extra blades now, so that was it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed. I do believe this was the last of the confetti stuff I needed from an outside source. Everything else is going to be de-stash stuff from my own stock. So that is it, and I will see you next time.